We are back in Las Vegas 2022 after 3 long years. Innovation continues to drive the future of our industry at an accelerated pace. Fast, furious, and constant, we have everything you could possibly imagine right here at NAB. Ashley with InBroadcast. Joining me is Greg of Xytech. Hello.
Good morning. How are you today?
Very good. It's nice to see you after these 3 long years.
Isn't it great? This is maybe the most exciting thing I've done in my career, getting people back together again. I had no idea how much I missed this stuff, so this has been insanely fun.
It sure has, and so a lot's changed since then, but what's going on with you with Xytech currently?
Well, it's been quite a busy couple of years for us. Really, since the pandemic, we went out and bought a company called Schedule. They've been in the marketplace for as long as we have, about 30 years. And we're sort of bringing those two companies together and those two really unique sort of group of customers together. We basically have positioned our product, our flagship product, MediaPulse, as the natural upgrade to Schedule. So we're spending a lot of time at this show sort of telling our customers what the plan is, how we get them from where they are today to a brand new product that can do a lot more things. So that's been a real challenge for us, integrating two really distinct companies and then coming up with, as bulletproof as possible, a plan to make the upgrade to MediaPulse really frictionless for our customers.
Right, that's important. And so what else is new with you currently? What are you showing here right now at NAB?
So we have a whole bunch. We haven't shown customers software en masse, in a couple of years. So there's a bunch of things to be done. First is a real focus on the UI, making sure the user experience is really tailored to what the needs are for each individual user. Some years ago, if you had a 100-person facility, we would basically have a solution for 15 people. But 10 years later, we have to have a solution for 300 people. It's all of that staff, it's all of their customers, it's all of their freelancers, all their vendors, and the idea is to put really targeted functionality in the hands of all those really distinct user communities. So we're working on that. We're showing that at the show. We have a brand new personnel manager module which handles really complex payroll rules. We have a crewing module now that handles all the logistics for remote crews. One of the biggest things we saw certainly during the pandemic is the amount of content being shot is going through the roof, and putting crews together, getting all that stuff is a real challenge. So we think we have a great solution for that. We've also introduced what we call scenario planning and capacity management. And that takes a look at the problem of how do I take a large staff and crew them over a long period of time with really diverse requirements, who likes who has a day off, who has vacation time, what's the statistical probability that somebody might be out sick. So we're actually using sort of a constraint solver to really look at these really macro scheduling problems and make it really, really simple. This is the first foray really into where we're going with machine learning.
Wow, very nice. And can you tell me a little bit about what we can expect to see from the company in the near future?
Sure, in the near future, we're continuing on the path of making sure we have a really great upgrade path for our Schedule customers. We're really putting huge resources into our transmission products. That's a big, big part of what Schedule brought to the marketplace. So we want to make sure that it's a pretty high bar they've set for us. So we want to make sure we clear it. And of course, we continue to invest really heavily in the MediaPulse managed cloud. Almost all of our business now is hosted by one of our systems. Our business is almost entirely subscription now. So we continue to invest really heavily, not just in our software, but on the platform that our software runs on.
And so for people that want more information on your company, what is the website?
You can find us at XytechSystems.com. That's XYTECH Systems.com.
Very nice. Everyone be sure to check them out. It's always a pleasure talking to you. Thank you very much.
Great to see you again.